Yo!
Hey, buddy, how you doing?
Hey, you ready for this? I got a new laptop.
Actually new.
There's a cyber cafe that I've been working at, and this computer was sitting in the lost and found. And I found this folder. It was hidden.
Dude, this is dark web.
What's dark web?
It's all about drugs, illegal IDs, even assassination for hire.
Whoa.
Yeah, the dark net is mostly about the bad guys.
Check this out. Oh, God.
I really think you should stop.
That looked way too real.
I think that is real.
We have to do something. We have to do it now.
Who's that?
They've had control this whole time.
Get out of there right now!
Good day everyone, I'm Shirley Camusa from Halevin Yunus Hernandez, Group Hufflepuff. And today we were going to talk about the film named Unfriended Darker. And the director is Stephen Sosko, and the characters is Matias, Amaya Di Soto, Nari, Serena, Damon, AJ, and lastly, Lex. The synopsis in the film is, the plot follows a young man named Matias who finds a laptop in a lost and found bin at a cyber cafe and takes it home. He soon discovers that the laptop has access to the dark web and contains disturbing files of real crimes, only to realize that the original owners, a group of ruthless cyber criminals, are watching his every move. As a game night with his friends over a Skype call progresses, the group becomes the targets of the hackers, who threaten and murder them one by one. Number 2 question is, are there any ICT trends discussed in the film? Yes, several ICT trends are implicitly or explicitly discussed or depicted in the film. The entire movie unfolds in real time on a single computer screen using various applications like Skype, Facebook, Messenger, Spotify, and more, which is an ICT trend in itself. Number 3 questions is, are there any internet threats shown in the film? Yes, the film depicts numerous and escalating internet threats, showcasing the severe dangers that lurk in unsecure online spaces, such as hacking and unauthorized access. The primary threat is the illegal access and control of Matias' laptop and his friends' various devices, computers, smartphones, security cameras are the examples by a group of skilled hackers. Number 4. What are some lessons you learned from this film? The lesson I learned from this film is, as a cautionary tale emphasizing the dangers of the digital world and the importance of online security, is be careful online, because the most important lesson is to be extremely careful with online interactions and the information you share, as bad actors exist who will exploit any vulnerability. And that's all. Thank you.